Dear students, today topic is sphere. Today topic is sphere. So now let us define sphere. Right. A sphere is a locus of a point which remains constant distance from a fixed point. Simple definition. A sphere is a locus of a point which remains constant distance from a fixed point. Right? Suppose this is a fixed point and this will be constant distance. Now, locus of this point, which remains locus of this point, is called as sphere. Right? So, the locus of a point which remains constant distance from a fixed point. Constant distance from a fixed point is called sphere. Here, this fixed point is called center of the sphere, and this constant distance is called radius of the sphere. This fixed point is called center of the sphere. This constant distance is called radius of the sphere. For example, in our daily life, suppose if you take globe, the surface of a globe is a sphere. Suppose if you take a cricket ball or volleyball, so its surface is a sphere, right? So once again, a sphere is a locus of a point which remains constant distance from a fixed point. So here constant distance is called radius of the sphere and fixed point is called center of the sphere. Right? This is about definition of sphere. Now let us discuss about equation of the sphere. Equation of the sphere. Right? Equation of the sphere. Let us see. Suppose let C, A, B, C be the center of the sphere. Center of the sphere, and R be the radius. R be the radius of the sphere. It means, suppose this is a sphere whose center is C, ABC, and this is, suppose this is constant distance called radius. Right? Now, suppose if I am taking like P, X, Y, Z be any variable point. Any variable point on the given sphere. Right? So let P be any variable point on the given sphere. Suppose if you are considering that point, like this is P, this point is P, X, Y, Z. Right? So from the definition of the sphere, this distance between P and C, is equal to its radius R. For the definition of sphere, the distance between C and P is equal to radius of the sphere. So from the definition, from the definition of the sphere, we have distance between these 2 points. Distance between these 2 points, nothing but square root of x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square is equal to radius of the sphere, right? So on simplification, squaring on both sides, we can write x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square is equal to r square. Now using a minus b whole square formula, we can write x square minus 2ax plus a square. A minus b whole square means a square minus 2ab plus b square, like x square minus 2ax plus a square. In similar way, y minus b whole square means y square minus 2by minus plus b square. Z square minus 2cz plus z c square equal to r square. So finally, there we can write, therefore, x square plus y square plus z square minus 2ax minus 2by minus 2cz plus a square plus b square plus c square. This r square becomes, on taking to LHS, minus r. So which is required equation of given sphere. Nothing but whose center is ABC and radius is r, right? So we derive here the equation of sphere whose center is ABC and radius is r, right? Suppose if you are observing there, right? If you are observing there, which is a second degree equation in XYZ, which is a second degree equation in XYZ, and the quotient of x square, y square, z square is equal. The quotient of x square, y square, z square are equal. And also if you are observing there the product terms xy, yz, zx terms are right. So here better let us give equation 1. Right. So from the above equation, we can note following characteristics of equation of the sphere. See here, first one is, it is second degree. It is second degree equation in x, y, z. First one is, it is second degree equation in x, y, z. Second one is the coefficient. The coefficients of x square, y square and z square are equal. So finally, third one is the product terms, xy, yz, zx are absent, right? So these are the characteristics of the equation of the sphere, right? Suppose conversely consider an equation ax square plus ay square plus c a z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0, right? So which has the above characteristics of the equation of the sphere, where a u v w d are constants, and a must be not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, then this equation becomes linear equation or first degree equation in xy, right? So conversely, we are considering an equation which satisfies or which follows the characteristics of equation of the sphere, right? From there, now equation 2 can be written as ax square plus better by taking a is common, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into ux by a plus 2 into vy by a plus 2 into wz by a plus d by a equal to 0. Here I am trying to put this equation in this form: x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus a whole square equal to r square, right? So for this I am adding the term x square plus 2 into ux by a plus here I am writing u square by a square. In similar way, y square plus 2 into vy by a plus v square by a plus 2 into wz by a plus w square by a square plus d by a is equal to, here we are writing or we are adding the terms u square by a square, v square by a square, w square by a square. So same terms we have to add on RHS, right hand side also, means u square by a square plus v square by b square plus that is a square plus w square by a square. Again on simplification, here we can write a square which is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So there we can write x plus u by a whole square. In similar way, y plus v by a whole square plus z plus w by a whole is equal to, taking this one to RHS, this is u square, taking the LCM as a square, right? So this is u square plus v square plus w square minus a, right? So which represents the distance between the distance between x, y, z and between x, y, z and minus u by a minus v by a minus w by a is equal to is square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus ad by a. Here it's u square plus v square plus w square minus ad, right? Must be equal to 0. Suppose if it is equal to 0, if it is less than 0, this value will be undefined, right? But nothing but it is not a real number, right? So here it means, so the distance between the points x, y, z and minus u by a, minus v by a, minus w by a is this constant, which is constant with various some fixed value. Means, so this is an equation of a sphere. This is an equation of it represents an equation of a sphere whose center is minus u by a, minus v by a, minus w by a, and whose radius is square root of v square plus w square u square plus v square plus w square minus ad by a. Right? So here we are discussing about the equation of the sphere. Right? Nothing but it is a second degree equation in x, y, z. Right? And quotient of x square, y square, z square are equal. The product terms x, y, z, zx are absent. Right? So there we derive by taking a given center and by taking any variable point on the locus of the sphere, we derive equation of the sphere. Conversely, taking the characteristics of the sphere, right? So we have taken a second degree equation x, y, z, and there we put this one in this equation standard form. Right? So this is about equation of the sphere. Right? So when we have, right? So let us write general equation of the sphere. Right? So general equation. Of the sphere. Right? So an equation of the form x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. An equation of the form x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0, where u, v, w, d are parameters is known as general equation of the sphere. Right? So an equation of the form x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2zz plus d equal to 0, where here u, v, w, d are any parameters, right? Is known as a general equation of speed, right? And also here, center of the sphere is minus u, minus v, minus w, and radius of the sphere is square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d, right? So our parameters such that u square plus v square plus w square minus d that are equal to, I will take again. Here u, v, w, d are parameters such that u square plus v square plus w square minus d always are equal to 0. Right? This is about general equation of the